All right, y'all, real quick before the day is over with, just wanted to give y'all a quick little update on today's stats. As you can see so far for today, we are at 146.40. Yesterday, 231.90. So far for the month, 1371. I haven't refreshed the screen for at least, I want to say like 3 to 5 minutes or whatever. It is Friday, January 23rd, about 11:48 p.m. So the day almost over with. Let's refresh the screen, see where we at. Okay, so we went up a few dollars. Now we at 149. Let's see what ClickBank we made. I don't think we made no money today in ClickBank. Nope. Last time I checked, no sales today. Oh wow, they signed me out. Let me sign back in real quick, see if we end up making a commission or not. Today was the first day in like 2 weeks we didn't make any commissions. Let me see. Sign in real quick. While I'm signing in, just letting y'all know. That bundle deal I had going on for $25, you basically get my Fastlane affiliate course and my 7-figure affiliate course on top of my AI influencer that you've seen if you watch my last YouTube video. And if you haven't, definitely go watch it out, man. Watch that tutorial because that's the first tutorial I did in probably, I want to say almost a year or two. So definitely go and check that out. As you can see, we didn't make any sales today with ClickBank, but we still got some decent results over the last couple weeks. And if you want all of this information completely done for you, I got both of the courses you can get instant access to right now for only $25, man. My 2026 affiliate bundle is basically everything that you see, all the results that you see on the screen, on here, and in MaxBounty. So refresh it one more time. See if we made another commission. Nope. But that will be covered inside of this is the 7-figure affiliate course. This is the MaxBounty Done For You campaign, which of course goes over these results. Oops, I already X'd out of there, damn. And here's the Fastlane affiliate course. You get access to both of these for the price of one. Both of them come with like a 7 or 8 video modules, breaking this stuff down step by step. Got to watch this first. The tools you'll need: count creation, offer selection, funnel creation, traffic mastery, and putting everything together. And I just added the bonus AI influencer yesterday, so if you haven't seen what that is about, go watch my last YouTube video. But if you want to get straight into it, yeah, start getting your results right away. Everything is pretty much plug and play. The scripts, the offer, the funnel, the traffic, everything is already completely done for you. You just need to get inside and grab your copy of the bundle before the price go up. But yeah, man, if you got any questions, comments, or concerns, leave it in the comment section down below. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update before the day is over with. Some light results today. Plan on picking it up tomorrow. As you can see, we went up basically another $1 in the last 30 seconds or whatever. But yeah, man, see y'all in the next video tomorrow.